So ICP is getting ready to explode. Matter of fact, ICP is one of those older type of coins that has a very good risk to reward ratio, which I'm going to show you guys in just a bit. Before I get further into the video though, for anyone that's looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. They've been around for over 13 years. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits and you get extra bonuses of up to $10,000. So that's really cool. Also, make sure you check out my link to my Patreon if you want to know what I'm buying, and you can find some exclusive content over there. And there's going to be a link to Trade Assist for anyone that's looking for a great crypto indicator. But let's get right into the video. So if we take a look at the volume on ICP, what we're noticing is the volume is actually sitting at basically all-time highs on the year. So that is definitely a great indication that people have taken notice of this coin. And if the narrative right now is older coins and we look at the price action on ICP, this coin really, it hasn't taken off yet. And when I say a good risk to reward ratio, take a look at this here. All right, so if I zoom in, what we're going to notice here is this. So it seems to have a floor of $6 and let's call this 71 cents. All the way down here seems to be its floor because it bottomed here back in July. So it bottomed here at around 670, again here, again here, again here, right? And now it's making its move up and it's got that narrative around the older coins, right? So when we take a look at the current price sitting at $11.51, that tells us that this coin hasn't even doubled yet, because recently its recent bottom is like what, $7? Yeah, about $7, right? So its recent bottom, which was back at the beginning of this month, back at the beginning of November, was $7, and it hasn't doubled its value yet. It hasn't doubled in price. But when we take a look at something like Cardano and we take a look at something like XRP, what we notice is these coins have more than doubled in value since the beginning of November. Right, so if we take a look at XRP here, the beginning of November, this thing was sitting at 50 cents, and right now it's sitting at $1.43. So this thing has exploded. This is a older coin that has already exploded, but ICP, it has not exploded yet. So there's definitely money to be made here. If we go back earlier in the year, what we see is it had its all-time high earlier in the year at around $21. So what's the likelihood of ICP not getting back to its, when was this, July? March, to its March of 2024 all-time high? That is definitely going to happen in my opinion. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice. Of course, I can always be wrong. So make sure you guys do your own research. But ICP looks like an opportunity to me, especially because it fits this current narrative that's happening right now. So if you're one of those people that is in the game to make money, you're not just solely focused on new and shiny coins, you just want to make some money and you want to make some money as quickly as possible, I think that ICP is a pretty good bet. All right. And now let's actually take a look at the indicator and see what it's showing here for ICP. So it's not really showing much. Bullish momentum was fired back in mid-November. A couple of sell zones for anyone that's not holding this thing for a long time. And we can see that actually today it fell as low as about $10.90 or something like that. Now it's making its way back up. Recently it topped out at 1210, not that far from 1210, and I think it's going to blow through that 1210 area and just completely take off. Let's actually go back here. 1210, was this a previous? No. So yeah, it's definitely on its way up, and this is going to be a great opportunity here. Not only does it have great tech, but the charts is looking pretty healthy. And I think that this is a great opportunity for anyone that's looking to get into this thing. Funny enough, the last time I made a ICP video, someone commented something like, ICP, really, bro? And I get it, because I've been talking a lot about meme coins because that's where the money was at, and I was making some pretty good returns on meme coins. So naturally, I would talk about the meme coins But now I'm seeing this rotation that's happening, and a lot of these meme coins aren't moving the way that it was previously. Of course, you can still find some meme coins that's moving. It's just things are getting a little bit more challenging. So it's always good to go where the money is currently flowing, because a lot of money was made in meme coins, and what people like to do, they take that profit from these risky assets, put it into something more stable, and then just honestly just enjoy the ride for the rest of the bull run. And I think that ICP is going to do fantastic things. This is probably what, the fourth time or something like that since I've talked about it on this channel, and looking at the charts, I just had to bring it up again. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below, and until next time, take care.